Well, good evening or good morning. Probably this is not the ideal place where you see me talk to you English or tell you something interesting about English or walk you through some English grammar. This is my recess time or my rest time where I get the opportunity to disconnect from the world and enjoy doing some of my favorite activities. And if you know me personally, or if you've been one of my friends, you know that I love watching movies and dedicate 15 minutes every day, as much as I can, of my time to do some reading. Now, I've stacked few books here that I pick one and determine the kind of topic that is within the theme of my day and start reading it. Under pressure, I find myself doing a lot of reading and writing for my research. But generally speaking, there should be some kind of getaway book where I perform some sort of escapism too, and it's it gives me that kind of meditational feeling that disconnects me from the pressure of work and pressure of commitment and pressure of society, especially within the whole negativity that we see in the society right now in terms of bad news and whatever is going on in the world. Um, so probably you'll ask yourself, what's the title of this video talking about it? Why is he talking about this topic? And it's the purpose of your study and the purpose of your learning. Now, a lot of people actually read or learn something because they want to find a job, or they need to improve the quality of their lifestyle, or they want to get promoted or travel abroad or get better opportunities of work or business or entrepreneurship or any sort of personal purpose. Um, and the point that I want to mention here and emphasize particularly is that all roads and all ways in life and all the opportunities are like trains at stations. You need to hop in one of the trains, and that's hopefully going to take you to where your destination is or where you plan to go. But staying at the station is not going to get you anywhere. This comes from my personal experience that sometimes you are offered two or three opportunities and you need to determine which one you choose. I personally choose one and leave the other as a backdoor. So I did not disconnect myself from the other opportunity just because I might get sacked uh, from the first opportunity. And that is where I can have the backdoor. So jumping into that train is going to lead you to the purpose of your learning. Sometimes I was questioning why I was reading that ton of novels that I've gone through in my life, in my career when I was in high school. And I got the opportunity to go through some of the novels that were written at that time by popular people like John Grisham and Ken Follett and Stephen King. And later on, I promoted to Steven Pinker. He's a cognitive scientist, I think, at MIT right now. So the idea is that there was some dots that are connected backward and forward, and that if you want to know what I mean, you should go and watch Steve Jobs' speech that he delivered, where he talks about connecting the dots. The point is that you need to find a purpose of your learning. And if you don't find a purpose, you need to hop in any one of the purposes because that's hopefully going to take you to where your destination is or where you want to see yourself as a successful person, entrepreneur, businessman, professor, doctor, a physician, a surgeon, a pilot, an engineer, successful architect, you name it. But staying at the station, multitasking on many things and not doing the progress that you make, that is going to put you under the pressure of society, and that is going to help you retreat, reverse, and not progress. So any kind of work that you do, you need to ask yourself a question that is very simple. Am I maintaining my status or am I progressing in this kind of work? This is applicable to language. When it comes to language, we need to always consider the fact that you either progress or maintain your status. If you keep maintaining your status, some people will catch up and outpace you. So you just need to constantly sharpen your skills no matter what age you are, 30, 40, 20, 60, 70. You just need to keep struggling and hopping in multiple trains. And whenever you get the chance to travel, that is going to be a plus, a golden opportunity for you to explore the world, open your horizons, and rediscover the world. But the first thing you should do is to invest some good quality time for your reading, watching movies, or watching soap operas, or um, doing any kind of hobbies that will redetermine your objectives in life and then lead you to where you want, hope, inspire to go. That's my recommendation of this video. Thank you so much, and I should go back to finish the movie that I'm watching.